This is the unboxing of the Moto G Stylus, the 2020 version. In 2021, they have a Moto G Stylus 2021 and a Moto G Stylus 5G, which also is a 2021 version. However, this is the Moto G Stylus from 2020. And I'm going to go ahead and unbox this. This is Amazon Renewed. I've had Amazon Renewed phone before. The phone I'm filming this with is an Amazon Renewed and the Moto G8 Plus. But the reason why I got this Moto G Stylus is hopefully I can use it with additional carriers, use it with visible wireless. Even though it's not officially supported on the website, I believe I can slide in the SIM and use it with visible wireless. With my Moto G8 Plus that I'm filming with, and I like to keep an Android handy, a cheap Android handy, I'm pretty much have to use Wi-Fi. Well, I have to use Wi-Fi because I don't have a compatible SIM and I'm not signing up at this time for an additional carrier. I'm not going to get a Mint Mobile and pop it in there. But hopefully with this, I should be able to pop in my visible SIM card, get service, and go from there if I want to just carry a Android around. Anyways, I'm getting slightly longer-winded. Let me go ahead and do this unboxing. Alright. I think we're good. I think we're good. Boom. There we have it. Nice purplish black color. See the I can see it already has the hole punch for the front face and not the teardrop. And for the Moto G8 Plus, I actually like the little teardrop thing here, but I definitely get used to this. I'm sure the stylus is already inside. Obviously the brick and the cord should be USB-C, because it wouldn't make sense to be otherwise. A README, cool. This should be similar in performance to my Moto G8 Plus. I think there may be some variations in the camera, comparatively speaking. But the main sensor on the rear is still 48. Front facer on this may be lower megapixels. I think it'll be 16. I get 25 on the Moto G8 Plus, but I mean, this has the same processors and everything else. And in terms of the rear camera, I'll be satisfied. And the front facer, I should be satisfied as well, because pixels on everything. Megapixels on everything. That's just for detail, but you also want to have good light. And a camera that allows in good light, especially with a front facer, especially the way that it's used for a person to be on camera and make videos a lot of times. Especially if they want to do, hey, this is a quick video, or they want to send a quick picture of something of themselves. But yeah, this is what it is. Got a case for it. Obviously, this will be the side for the SIM and SD card. I can dig it. Let's see if that's a fingerprint reader. Let's see if I can power this on. Hey, It powers on. A little bit of charge in it. So yeah, this is me unboxing the 2020 Moto G Stylus. Okay. How often will I use the stylus? I don't know. I never had a stylus phone. I always figured accessories sometimes be easy to lose, but I like how they had this little built-in thing. And honestly, they've been doing this since the Samsung days with the slide the stylus in. You don't got to worry about much. But yeah, this is just a unboxing. 2021. The screen may be a little bit bigger by tenths of an inch compared to the Moto G8 Plus, and I'm sure the aspect ratio is a little bit different. Seems to have a bigger screen. Well, the screen to body ratio is more favorable for the screen. Shows a higher percentage of screen compared to my Moto G8 Plus. But these are similar phones, and hopefully I get this up and run on visible wireless. But we'll see. We'll do that off camera, and I'll add it to this video. So yeah, this concludes the unboxing portion of the video. And I'll try out putting a SIM in it, the visible wireless SIM, and we'll see how that goes. Okay, we're gonna try out putting in this visible SIM. As you can see, click this start button and see if we can connect to the mobile network. Search Wi-Fi, so hold on. I don't know where this is at, but alright, let's see. Use mobile network for setup. Click on that. Continue. And it connects. LTE, visible wireless, have a LTE connection on his Moto G Stylus 2020. Not officially reported according to the website, but it is supported. That's a good thing. All right. Just wanted to show that. Iceberg Gym out. Deuces.